friends, welcome back. I am checking those fruit trees section at Lowe's. Look at this pile all the way to the top. Those are some flowers, different flowers here. Oh my God, it is hot. Look at the blueberries. The blueberries full of buds as the one I got home. They are the same thing. Oh my gosh. They got plums, apple, different plums, and all of them guys are 32.98. And some of them are really big trees. Look at this. Big, big, big trees. Oh my God.
Too wet? That's a problem.
Yep, they got guava, they got, and those blueberries, guys. Those are, I like those blueberries, guys. Look at how tall are they. I think I'm waiting when they're on sale. They will go on sale. I think I have 20 blueberry bushes I get from Lowe's. And those are, I get this, those kind, and they really tall, really tall. And the new one or the short one, and those are really tall. I'm reading when they're putting stuff on sale. Maybe I will get all of them, because I don't think people buying them. I think I'm the only person who's buying them here, and I'm good. I can get them when they're on sale. Okay, that's, oh my God, nothing on the sale section. Clearance section is empty. Of course, it is spring. Everybody checking. Nothing is empty. No way. And that will be full next week because there's gonna be some flowers dead over there. They're gonna bring them right here. But they got some trees right here. They got some fig trees here. Okay, they got some big trees here. Let me see. Oh yeah, they got what? Red flowering crab apple. Not looking good. Yeah, not looking good for that price. I don't know how much, but no. Uh, whatever it is, no, not worth the price.